Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to explain you about how to get copyright free contents from the website. If you have any browser, you just click and open it. So in the search page or URL page, you can search what you want. Now for example, I'm going to search the picture of ice cream. I just type it. After typing, I just click the enter button. So here you can see some icons. In these icons, I'm going to select the images button. So after selecting, I can see all ice cream pictures here, but I don't know whether it is copyrighted or not copyrighted. How I can check it? It's very easy. See here, a tools option is there. I just click it, and under I can see some options like size, color, type, time and usage rights. By using these options, you can select the picture size, color and type. But now I'm going to tell you how to select or download the free copyright contents. So I just click down the usage rights. Under the usage rights, I can see Creative Commons licenses. So just click on it. Now the page will be refreshed. You can see free contents of images here. Now you can download any images from here. These images are without copyright images. I mean, you can use these images in anywhere, even though in the websites and live programs also. If you want to download any picture, you just click on it. Then place your mouse on the picture, right click it. Choose the option of save image as. Then you can save these images anywhere in your system. If it is mobile, also the same procedure, you have to follow it. I just click save button. The image is saved here. I opened it. That's all. Now you can use this picture anywhere. Okay viewers, this is the procedure to filter and select no copyrighted images. If it is a music, if it is a video, anything you want to download, you just filter by using the Creative Commons license and you can use it anywhere. Thank you viewers. I will meet you in our next video. Until this is Ramji. Take care. Bye bye.